Hi girls, on Friday we were looking at stem and leaf diagrams. I corrected your homework. I went through what a stem and leaf diagram was, and all you had to do was question 1. Now I'm just going to correct question 1 now. It was on page 362 and 363, and all you had to do was answer the questions on it. Okay, so just getting started. So question 1, page 362, 363. And it says the stem and leaf diagram plot below shows the marks obtained by students in a maths test. You can see all the numbers are given and there's a key given also. How many students took the test? Well, to figure out how many students took the test, you're going to add all these individual numbers together. Now, there was 1 student, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 students in the class. So you're not adding like 41 and 45 and 47. That's the grades the first student, second student and third student got. Okay, so there's 20 students in the class in total. So part 1, 20 students. Part 2. It says, what is the highest mark achieved? Well, if you look at the stem and leaf, these were 41s. The highest is as you go down. The highest one is at the very end. 9-3 means 93. So what was the highest mark achieved? 93% or 93 marks or whatever. Both of those would be accepted. Part 3. How many students got between 60 and 70? Well, between 60 and 70 is just on the 60s, because if they got above 70, you'd be to 71, 72. So between 60 and 70 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many students got between 60 and 70? It was 5 students. Next, how many students got 80 marks or more? Well, there was 3 students that got in the 80s and there was 1 student that got above 80, so that's 4 students. And last part is, if an A grade is 85 or more, how many students got an A grade? So 85 or more, so that was 82, so that's not included. There was 3 students that got an A grade. And that's what got 85 or more. So question 1 was literally just being able to read the stem and leaf diagram and what to do with each of the marks. Questions 2 and 3 are much the same, only that you're getting fractions and percentages and that kind of thing. Question 4 is actually doing a stem and leaf, as is question 5 and 6 and 8 and 9, well 8 and 10 and so on. So what we're going to do today is we'll just practice doing one more of these, where you're given the actual stem and leaf and you have to answer questions on it. Sorry, now there's just a bit of drawing equipment directly underneath this. So we're going to do question 3, okay, and I'm just going to write that down. So this is page 363. You're going to do question 3. Then you're going to go to page 364. I'm going to outline a couple of questions for you to do on this one. So as you can see, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10 all include you having to draw out the stem and leaf plot. Question 4 shows you how to actually start it off. Question 5 doesn't. So we'll just do 2 more and we'll leave it there for today. So that'll be questions 4 and 5. Now, when it comes to Wednesday, we'll kind of continue on with this, but as you can see, like, we're pretty much to the end. Yeah, so we're going to do questions 4 and 5 as well. You can start these questions now and we're going to join me live in the next minute or 2. Okay, so your questions for now are page 363, question 3, and then page 364, questions 4 and 5. And you're going to join me live. You mightn't have them finished, but you're going to continue on through. And if anyone has any questions, it's your ample opportunity to ask them. Thank you. See you live.